What's up guys, welcome to another video. So a lot of websites have FAQ sections, but let's be honest, most people don't want to scroll through the long pages to find answers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple FAQ, which is frequently asked questions chatbot using Python, where users can ask questions in plain English and get the right answers. This is beginner friendly and it's also a great foundation for more advanced AI chatbots. Okay, let's get into the project. So first we're going to define our function. See? Okay, as you can see, I already have auto suggestion, which is done by this. It's copilots, whatever copilots. Yeah, GitHub Copilot. Sorry. If you want a video on how to set it up, let me know in the comment section. So I'll do that. So first is we're going to define our function, which is the FAQ chatbots. Okay, so now we are going to create a dictionary. So let's call it FAQs. Okay, then our code brackets. So first we're going to create keys and values. So when a person enters the key, then Python will return the value. So let's start with hello. Then to reply with hello, how can I assist you today? Okay, so and for your information, you should avoid question marks because the user sometimes is too lazy and wants to write the question mark. So it's better to leave your FAQs empty without any question mark. So let's leave it like this. And there's an infinite amount of questions. Sometimes there's hundreds of them. You can basically write whatever you want. So the next is to print the welcome message. So once the user activates the chatbots, this is the first message it's going to see. So let's start a while loop while this is true. Okay. So now we're going to set up the response. The purpose of this strip is, as you can see, it returns a copy of the string blah 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 white space remove. So it removes all unnecessary white space. For example, before you write hello, you leave a space, so it's going to remove it. And then this lower would lowercase all your inputs, all the user inputs. As you can see, everything is a lowercase here. So we don't want a situation where because of a upper or a lowercase, the chatbot will be showing error. So that's why we do this. So let's also do another. We want to remove the question mark. Okay. So now you can see we can replace the question mark with a blank space, and then this function here on the top would remove this blank space, which is this strip. So we're good to go. So next, to give it the instructions to return the response if the user enters the key. And we print, yep. So this is just telling Python that if a user's response is inside one of this, if it includes one of this, then it should return a response like this. Exit, then print goodbye, and then break. Voila, we're done with it. Let's test it if it's alright. Okay, I just noticed something here. While okay. So let's run it to see if everything is working well. Okay, so you see, let me type hello. Ah, it's working. So it said hello, how can I assist you in here? So let me ask, where are you located? You see? Let me ask, what services do you offer? Okay, and to see this strip lower or this in action, let me just try to mix up upper and lower cases. So let me ask, what are your hours? Let me use uppercase and W and H, and then okay, are your, let me also write a question mark. and also leave a space. If you can see here, it's only said what are your hours. It doesn't include a question mark. It doesn't include uppercase. It doesn't include any unnecessary space. Let's see if it's going to give us the right answer or an error. So it gave us the exact answer. So this is the use of this. Replace this question mark with this, strip this, and also this. So basically, this is our chatbot, and this is just the most basic chatbots that you can have. And there are also instances where someone doesn't have to ask the question exactly as it is here. Like this here, it says, "Where are you located?" Someone might ask, "Where is your location?" Or here, "What are your hours?" Someone might ask, "What are your working hours?" Or "When are you active?" So that is an advanced level of constructing a chatbot. So in the next video, we'll see how to do that. And thanks for watching this. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and let's catch up in the next one.